Take command of the road in the 2007 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, heated and ventilated seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, adjustable pedals, and leather upholstery. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.